the second I start drifting, it all comes back to me. The hard thing to understand about drifting is just the feeling. Watching from the grandstands, that space away, it looks almost slow and it wouldn't be that exciting, but being in the car is a totally different feeling, being thrown around the track. It's something that you can't understand without being in the car. Before a drift, I almost get a sense of nervousness going into it. I almost feel like I'm gonna forget what to do, but the second I start drifting, it all comes back to me, and I feel completely calm.
This is your fucking...
I'll kick this off. So basically, we've been doing this for 10 years. We started off very green, not knowing what we were doing, and the aspect of community kept us here for the first probably 6-7 years. Then the love for it really took over right away, and then now like we have such busy lives and schedules and work schedules that I get to come hang out with my brother. We love driving and come see our friends and everyone that comes out.
Yeah, so just to echo what he said, it's really just the drift community as a whole. It's super inviting. It's a good community, good tracks, and then yeah, he said it's a good way of spending time with my brother, and we just like driving together. As you can see, both cars are basically the same. To quote Dom, in those 10 seconds or less, I'm really free.
probably roughly making around 600 to 700 horsepower. Full suspension in the back and full suspension in the front, fully designed to help me drift in the best way I can. And for this car, it's more stock street kind of build. It's the stock LS3 motor, making around 450 to 500.
So nothing could fall in the shade was on the other side. We can beat them forever and ever. We can be heroes just for